Sanjali and I am a student of Chitkara University. Today I am going to discuss a topic on research design. Research design is a framework of research methods and techniques chosen by researchers to conduct the study, and the study allows researchers to conduct sharpen for the research methods suitable for the subject matter and set up their studies for success. There are three types of research design. First is data collection, second is data measurement, and the third one is data analysis. There is a process of research design which includes the process is a systematic and a structured approach to conduct the research, and the process is essential to ensure that the process is valid. I would say the study is valid, relatable, and the procedures get the meaningful results. This process includes five steps. The first is consider your aims and approaches. Second is choose a type of research design. The third is identify your population and sampling method. The fourth is choose your data collection method, and the fifth is plan your data according to sampling structure. There are some characteristics included in this research design. The first is neutrality, the second is reliability, the third is validity, and the fourth is journalization. Research design analysis can be broadly categorized into two parts, the qualitative and the second one is quantitative. In qualitative, it determines the relationship between the data collection and the observation, which is based on mathematical calculation, whereas quantitative research is for the statistical decisions to collect the actionable insights and essential. Qualitative research used for the non-numerical data such as words, images, observation, whereas quantitative is used for the numerical data such as statistics and the surveys. In qualitative research, results are presented discretely, and in quantitative research are presented numerically and systematically. I would say in a systematic order, the process of research design is provide to plan the study that the subject is very accurate assessment to cause the reflect relationship between independent and dependent variable. Thank you.